enjoying our Sunday. Paulan this one. First time ko paulan. I hope you enjoy your day. Wala, mabiyayang araw. Enjoy your life.
Sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga yung ulan na yun, guys. As in, napakalakas ng ulan and nagsiswim. I really felt that kind of relaxation. At tignan nyo naman ang resulta, guys. Hindi naman in-enjoy, no? Ganda ng kulay, di ba? Napakapantay, di ba? Pantay na pantay yan, guys. As in, nag-enjoy kasi talaga kami.
Arts, best in drama and everything, guys. Pauwi na kami. Diyos ko, magpa-downtown niya po kasi.